EEG, yep, today we got some EEG cables and we will be turning them into an Ethernet cable. Now firstly, if you don't know, those are some cables used for brain scanning at hospitals etc. And for some reason I got my hands on them, so it would be a fun way to use them by turning them into an Ethernet cable. Splitting one open and using a multimeter, we can find out that it is a normal copper wire inside, and we can confirm it is conductive using a multimeter. Now that we know it's possible, time to split open all cables from both sides. The lighter just ran out of fluid. Time for another one. Just got another one. Time to continue. Now that all cables are stripped, time to organize them. So we got 10 colors of cables we will be using, 8 and there are 2 extra in case of anything. Next up we will join 8 colors of the wires together. Each color will be joined together. I will be using the twist and tape method since my soldering iron is broken right now. Time for cleanup. Now it's time to get it on their Ethernet cable that we will extend. Time for extending the cable using the wires we just connected together. After a bit of tidying up, we got a cable. Time for testing. We got 2 computers right here, one with Wi-Fi while the other has no way of connecting to the internet. Plugging the Ethernet cable in both and changing some settings, we can see that the cable works. Here we are browsing the internet over an Ethernet cable that is made from EEG cables. Although the browsing experience isn't the smoothest, we can blame the Pentium 4 in this machine rather than a cable. So now we can say that it is possible to make an Ethernet cable out of EEG wires. Is it the best idea? No, but it is a fun idea if you have your hands on some of these cables, and yes, this method works with any normal copper wiring, but using Ethernet cables was the most fun way of doing it. Until next time, lol GG out.